Alright mga kaibigan, nagbabalik tayo for second quarter. Itong labanan ng Red Bull Barako at Talk and Text Phone Pal still inside the Lamberto Macias Sports Center. Dito po sa Dumaguete City. Mark Zambrano po ang inyong lingkod kasama si Richard Del Rosario. And right now it's a 5-point lead for Red Bull.
Well, big run there by Red Bull towards the end of the first quarter. Kaya sila nagkaroon ng labang na ganito. Dahil ito, nagpapatuloy pa rin sila as Rico Villanueva knocks down that short jumper.
Extending the Red Bull lead to 7 points. Talk and Text scrambling to get back in form. Ferriols, pinigiging Mac Cardona. Cardona, pumorma ng tres, sumaksak. Mac Cardona will be blocked. Asi Taulava gets the loose ball and puts it in for Talk and Text.
Ayan na nga, ito si Asi Taulava going to work. Makikita natin yan ng first quarter field goals. Napakataas for Red Bull. And Talk and Text struggling from the field. Only 32%.
Ang layo ng figures, 52 for Red Bull, 32 for Talk and Text. Mantala si Mac Cardona, natatawagan ng kanyang unang personal foul. Sidecourt throw-in, mapupunta sa kamay ni Bugia. Here's Junti Valenzuela, fall away sa bandang free throw line. Bounce and papasok yan for Junti.
Yun na nga, walang challenge doon on the part of the defense of Talk and Text.
Ito na naman ang Phone Pals, trying to get some order in their offense. Cardona. From the free throw line, still nothing for Talk and Text. Junti Valenzuela, binigay muna kay Warren Ibanez. Over to Paulo Bugia, top of the key. Nahanap si Larry Fonacier, foul ang naispatan. And it looks like it will be the second personal nitong si Mac Cardona.
Ito na nga yung matchup na hinihintay natin. It's Mac Cardona going up against Larry Fonacier.
All the way from college days. Hika nila, Richard.
Oo.
Ito si Enrico Villanueva, powering his way, blocked by Asi Taulava. Villanueva once again, upper body strength, wala pa rin, pero may foul. Na naispatan against the Talk and Text Phone Pals. Guilty party, itong si Big John Ferriols. First personal lang ni John Ferriols.
Well, you could see that Rico Villanueva really wanted that basket. Kaya after he was fouled the first time, talagang he went strong to the basket and fished the foul mula dito kay John Ferriols.
Rico Villanueva, so far 2 points and 3 rebounds.
At syempre, he wants to bounce back strong after getting a piece of the mind of Coach Yang Yao in their last game. So parang wake-up call yan for Rico Villanueva, and so far is showing a lot of intensity in this ball game.
Enrico was only able to play 11 minutes nung kanilang last ball game, and I'm sure he'll make every minute count dito sa ating ball game today. Still a 7-point advantage for Red Bull. Leo Avenido from the outside, and this could be the start of something good para sa opensa ng Talk and Text.
Well, good pass there by Asi Taulava. Na-recognize niya na yung double that time nanggaling kay Junti Valenzuela from the passer. So all he had to do was give it back to Leo Avenido.
Junti Valenzuela left open. Wala yan. Leo Avenido over to Willie Miller. Susubok na naman sa labas. At namahagi sa ilalim ito si Asi Taulava.
Oo, at foul will be called, I think, against Paulo Bugia. That's right. Kay Paulo Bugia ang tatawagan na foul. Trying to box out itong si Asi Taulava. Naram naman natin mas madaling sabihin kaysa sa gawin.
Bugia versus Taulava. That's gotta be a matchup.
Oo.
Ito si Ferriols.
Alam mo, dati ginagawa ko dyan, pinapakiusapan ko na lang
talaga, Nilalaglag mo na naman yung sarili mo, Richard.
Don't get the rebound, please.
Please. Okay lang ba yun?
Ayaw makinig
So 30-26, yan po ang ating score on your screens. 9 minutes and 43 remaining. As agawan doon sa may bandang corner between Warren Ibanez and Mac Cardona.
Yeah, good pressure defense by Warren Ibanez. Ito, nakakuha sila ng turnover.
So Red Bull still in control by 4 points lang dito sa ating first half. Paulo Bugia outside to Larry Fonacier. He's looking for Enrico. Hindi mapasaan. Fonacier binigay kay Junti. Ito si Bugia. Bugia making space, block from behind. Solid ang butata ni Asi Taulava. Ito si Leo Avenido. Speaking baseline, banggaan, bagsakan. Namamahagis itong dalawang players natin. Si Leo Avenido at si Warren Ibanez.
Nice block. Grabe yung block na yun ni Asi Taulava. Pero ito, makikita natin.
Look at this, massive block from Asi Taulava. Akaling ni Bugiat, nakawala na siya galing sa likod. Paano mo naman naabangan yun?
Pero equally great tap ito coming from Leo Avenido. Although yun, nakakuha nga siya ng foul coming from Warren Ibanez.
Talk and text, susubukan putulin itong 4-point lead ng Red Bull. John Ferriols inside, intended for Avenido.
A bit late yung pasa na yun eh. Maganda na yung cut ni Leo Avenido. Good extra pass.
Oh boy!
Talk and text.
Some word said from Asi Taulava, intended for Enrico Villanueva.
Tama, alam mo naman natin, si Rico pag siya'y nakakadak, talagang pinapakita niya yung t-shirt niya, tapos staring down his defender. Yun naman ginawa ni Asi Taulava ngayon. It's his time.
And talk and text, Avenido, pumorma ng 3. Avenido will miss this time around. Outlet pass para kay Warren.
Another block.
Pero nandun ang trailer na si Willie Miller. So good trailing job galing kay Thriller Miller.
No, by Larry Fonasher ang nag-trail doon.
Oo. Ito, ayun na, pumorma na naman itong talk and text phone pals, John Ferriols.
Talaga nagpipick up na yung action dito, no? On the defensive end, ang dami ng mga supalpalan, may dakdakan pa.
Bugia. Ito si Enrico Villanueva. Babawi kaya siya, nataktakan siya kanina ni Asi.
Alam mo, naaalala niyo yun, I'm sure. Later on, tatiming yan at gustong makabawi niyan.
So, Fonasher still having some problems from the outside. Ito, pass para kay Leo Avenido. Hintay muna ang kanyang mga kakampi. John Ferriols from short range. And just like that, tapla na tayo, Richard, at 32-all.
And you have to defend against a secondary break, no? Na stop nyo na yung primary fast break, pero the trailer guy, kailangan ma-locate nyo kagad. At yun ang nangyari. Hindi na-locate ng Red Bull, kaya naka-jump shot si John Ferriols.
Jonte Valenzuela, binigay kay Enrico. Villanueva, nag-isip kung anong gagawin at traveling violation ang tatawag against Enrico Villanueva.
Makita mo naman si Asi Taulava nakaharang sa gitna. Talaga naman mag-iisip ka nun eh.
Siguro sabi Enrico, dadaktakan ko ba?
At saka nawala yung timing niya eh. Nag-second thought siya eh. Kaya yun, napa-traveling siya. Pero I'm sure gusto niya makabawi. Kaya nga lang at that time, he was not in the best position.
Oo, medyo malayo pa para makadakdak from that spot on the floor. Jimmy Alapag ngayon, tinatapatan ni Warren Ibanez. Bigay kay Willie Miller. Asi Taulava, pumuposisyon. Taulava gets the pass inside to Leo Avenido. Look at the communication, Richard, between talk and text. Flawless so far.
Tsaka between the two blondes, no? Itong si Asi Taulava at si Leo Avenido. Nakita niya kasi, medyo kakulay ko buhok nito madaling makita.
Sino ba nagsasabing blondes are dumb? Hindi yata totoo dito nakikita natin dito.
Mukhang kailangan yung mga ibang players sa talk and text, baka magpa-blondie na rin.
Tayo kaya?
Ay, hindi.
Mukhang sa'yo bagay, sa akin hindi eh. Matala ito. Talk and text 34, Red Bull 32. Larry Fonasher gets a pass over to Enrico Villanueva. Nilabas kay Warren Ibanez, inabot na naman ni Miller. Miller na libre, mataas yung pasa, hindi masasalo ni Willie Miller. So that's a turnover against the talk and text phone pals.
No, meron bang may foul na tinawag kay Willie Miller. Offensive foul. So pangalawa na yan ni Willie Miller.
Warren Ibanez ang gagawa ng play dito para sa Red Bull. Villanueva, sumaksa sa gitna. Binangga si Mick Pinisi. Problema doon, nagkabanggaan yung dalawang player. Pero teka.
Pero may tinawag na foul kay Asi Taulava.
Yan, nirereklamo ngayon ni Asi dahil binangga yata doon ni Enrico was Mick Pinisi. Ito, balikan natin yung last play na yun. Inside drive para kay Enrico Villanueva. Kabanggaan nga yung dalawang Red Bull players.
Pero nakita ng referee, meron daw pushing foul tong si Asi before that bump.
Villanueva off the glass is good against Asi Taulava. 34-all ang ating talaan. Still a tight ball game dito sa Dumaguete City. Taulava, hingi yung paso sa loob. Has to kick it outside to Miller. Willie from the outside. Wala. Warren Ibanez. Burst of speed. Binigay kay Lordy Tugade. Stretches and gets the layup for Red Bull.
Good pass there by Ibanez on the trailing Lordy Tugade.
2-point lead para sa Red Bull. Bola ngayon nasa kamay ni Jimmy Alapag. Inside to Asi. Finds Willie Miller. Ito si Leo Avenido. Libre na naman sa labas. And Leo Avenido continues to pour things in for the Talk and Text Phone Pals galing sa 3-point region. Puro TM3. Ang daming binabato.
Pangalawang TM3 na yan ni Leo Avenido. At saka good ball rotation that time from Talk and Text to find the open Leo Avenido.
Enrico Villanueva. Derecho basket will count for Enrico Villanueva.
Now trying to use his quickness against Asi Taulava.
So Asi called for his second personal foul. As we pause for a timeout para sa Red Bull Barako, they're on top by just one solitary point. 38-37 here in the second quarter. Okay mga kaibigan, yan pa rin ang mga nakakita nyo dito. Pag bumayo kayo sa Dumaguete City, a lot of beaches and a lot of friendly people. Pero eto mga kaibigan, this guy has not been friendly. He has been menacing throughout this ball game. Asi Taulava with a slam dunk katid sa atin ng Yakult. Okay, Kabadjan. Sinasabi natin kanina na sinigawan pa niya si Enrico after that dunk.
Oo, dahil sumabay doon si Enrico no? At yan, 6 points, 2 rebounds, and 2 blocks for the Rock.
Oo.
Asi Taulava.
Bonus free throw para dito kay Enrico Villanueva. Nakuha niya yung second personal foul itong si Asi Taulava on that strong drive. Kanina lang. Bonus free throw for Enrico Villanueva. Naku, medyo kumaliwa.
Oo, kanina pa ganyan yung tira ni Rico from the free throw line. So he has to make some adjustments.
Leo Avenido. Binigay muna kay Asi Taulava. Red Bull still on top at this point. Taulava spins, nilabas kay Avenido. Leo faking the three, binigay kay Taulava. The right-handed shot, wala. Napunta ulit sa kamay ni Leo Avenido. Fresh shot clock for Talk and Text. Jimmy Alapag slices through the middle using the left hand, pero mintis yung kanyang layup.
So medyo nadulas yun yung bola, kaya hindi na-finish si Jimmy Alapag. Here comes Red Bull once again in transition. Pero this time, nandito na, nakababa ng gusto itong depensa ng Talk and Text.
Topex Robinson over to Leo Nahorda, who was checked in for Red Bull. Eto, matatapik ni Harvey Carey. Carey is streaking down court, completing the layup para sa Talk and Text Phone Pals. Nasa kanila ang 1-point lead, 39-38.
Oh, good anticipation there by Harvey Carey, continuing to play well here in the first half.
Topex Robinson over to Lordy Tugade. Mick Penisi, lob pass for Enrico Villanueva. Binalik kay Mick Penisi. Pumorma ng tres si Mick Penisi, tickling the twine once again for Red Bull. Another DM3 para dito kay Mick Penisi.
He cannot give that open look kay Mick Penisi. Talagang yan ang hinahanap niya every time during the course of the ball game.
Taulava susubok ng tres. That's a rarity, Richard.
At tapos hindi pa bumaba sa depensa, kaya ito si Mick Penisi nauna na. At wala na magawa dito si Leo Avenido but to foul. And Harvey Carey talking to Asi Taulava.
Well, that was a mismatch. Wala na talaga magagawa si Leo Avenido.
Oo, kasi that was a bad decision coming from Asi. Yung, pati siguro yung mga teammates yan, nagulat.
So, Mick Penisi for a pair of free throws para sa Red Bull. 2-point lead ang Red Bull at this stage. 3 minutes and 54 remaining sa ating second quarter.
Oo nga, ito si Mick Penisi with 6 points so far. Dalawang TM3 ang kanyang na-shoot kanina. And 2 misses coming from Mick Penisi.
Struggling from the free throw line itong Red Bull.
Ang tinawag pala kanina is flagrant foul, penalty 1 against Leo Avenido. Kaya after that 2 foul shots, balik sa Red Bull ang bola.
Pero ito, Mick Penisi pumorma ng tres, magmimintis sa agawan ng rebound. Okay, maispatan na naman na foul. And it looks like the guilty party is Harvey Carey. So pangatlo ni Harvey Carey in the ball game.
So things are starting to get more physical, no? In this ball game. Pero, I mean, Red Bull has been getting trips to the line. Pero so far, hindi nila natitake advantage, no? Kanina, 2 minutes kay Enrico, tapos 2 minutes kay Mick Penisi. Tingnan natin kung makapag-adjust na si Enrico. Pakaliwa pa rin, no? Parang kulang sa alignment.
So kailangan konting adjustment. Kanan lang siguro. Konting-konting kanan lang.
At matututunan ng 0 out of 4 ito si Enrico Villanueva.
Second free throw for Enrico. Ganun pa rin.
Oo, nag-overcompensate naman doon si Rico Villanueva. Kaya naman sumobra ang kanyang tira.
Alam mo, sayang din eh. Malaki na sana yung kalamangan nila kung naipapasok nila yung free throw.
Oh, I'm sure that's a statistic na titignan nila at the halftime break.
Willie Miller nasa kaliwa. Pinali kay Jimmy Alapag. Over to John Ferriol. Fall away. Inabot ni Enrico Villanueva.
Good hustle by Asi Taulava.
Pero hindi inabot. At
Yes, oo.
shot clock violation against a talk and text phone pals. Naubusan ng oras.
So nakikita natin, no? Seesaw battle ang nangyayari dito. Nagkakaroon ng run ng Red Bull. Biglang babalik ang talk and text. Ngayon, Red Bull na naman. Kaya sila nakakalawang ng 2 points.
Rich Alvarez over to Topex. Robinson nilabas kay Mick Penisi. Titira na naman from the outside si Mick Penisi. Ramdam na ramdam niya. Nagtuturo na naman dito si Mick Penisi.
That's right, you know, at the same open look ang nakita doon ni Mick Penisi. Ito sabi niya, just give me that shot all day, I'll knock it down.
Oo, TM3 na naman yun mga kaibigan from Mick Penisi. Samantala, Asi Taulava. Power in the inside. Scoring once again for Talk and Text.
Oh, every time na sushutan siya dito si Mick Penisi, ito si Asi Taulava, gusto talaga makabawi kagad.
Rich Alvarez, masasalo sana yung pasa pero masyado nang masikip. And a full timeout ang itatawag dito ng Talk and Text phone pals. They're down by 3. Score natin mga kaibigan. Red Bull 44, Talk and Text 41. Ito mga kaibigan, one of the highlights dito sa ating ball game, yung malalaking mga mama. Asi versus Enrico. And of course, they will be seeing action sa ating All-Star game coming up this April 27. Naku, sago pa ang gusto yan, Richard.
Oo, dyan yan mangyayari sa Cagayan de Oro City. At balita ko, pati ang ABC Sports will be bringing an all-star cast.
Yes.
Napunta ka ba doon?
Oo, hindi ko alam. Samantala, inside pass for Asi Taulava. Kinuyog ng gusto. Itong si Willie and si Mick Penisi.
At natuwan-tuwa yung mga fans and Talk and Text, and that was a great play designed by Coach Derek Marin coming off that timeout. And well executed by his players. Ayan, Jimmy Alapag on the curling. Asi Taulava. So, ganda na ng scoring position nyo doon. Wala na magagawa ang defense doon ng Red Bull. Let's see if we can complete this one. Ako, kumalog.
So free throws have been really bad para sa dalawang kupunan natin. Nahorda, tumira from the perimeter. Nakukuha ba niya yung bounce? Hindi. Agawan sa rebound. Sa kami ni John Ferriols. Jimmy Alapag. Over to Willie Miller. Binigay kay Vic Pablo. Pablo will miss on the three-pointer. Red Bull over to Lordy Tugade. Still nothing. Pero makakuha ni Leon Nahorda ang rebound. Mick Penisi. Swing it over.
Nowhere to go. Ito si Rich Alvarez.
Parang ilagawan ng candy. Ito si Rich Alvarez. Libre-libre si Jimmy Alapag. Another TM press. Sakit sa inyo ng bagong TM. Power to the people. And it's raining threes, Richard, para sa Talk and Text.
Ano nga para mas madaling sumot ng 3 points kaysa sa foul shot. Dito sa dalawang teams na to, no? Ngayon, Mick Penisi, kanina Leo Avenido, ngayon si Jimmy Alapag.
2-point lead para sa Talk and Text. 46-44. Leo Nahorda. Air ball. Jimmy Alapag. Bounce pass. Tumama sa paa ni Leo Nahorda. Ito ngayon ang Red Bull. Behind the back para kay Rich Alvarez. Ako! Bothered by that bump. Jimmy Alapag na libre for 3. Mintis. Si Willie Miller. Hawak na ang braso. Itong si Leo Nahorda. And Willie Miller will be called for his third personal foul at penalty na rin. Itong Talk and Text phone pals.
Yun na nga kasi si Leo Nahorda was in a better rebounding position. No? He got the inside position against Willie Miller. So Willie Miller medyo nahulihan. Locking arms with Leo Nahorda.
Kung di nyo po napanood mga kaibigan, yung umpisa ng ating coverage, binanggit namin na itong Talk and Text phone pals, Thursday pa lang nagpa-practice dito sa Dumaguete. And of course, gusto nilang baguhin yung kanilang kartada dito sa ating komperensya dahil medyo hindi nila nagugustuhan yung mga nangyayari sa kanila in in the overall standings dito sa ating Philippine Cup.
Actually, itong dalawang teams ito, if you would look at their lineups, are considered by all the other teams as one of the favorites to end up winning the championship, this conference. Pero so far nga, they're struggling right now. Yeah, they want to find a solution to their problems and they want to start it here in Dumaguete.
So Rich Alvarez, sinusubukang utakan itong si Leo Avenido and Vic Pablo do sa baseline, pero stepping itong si Rich Alvarez.
Look at those 3-point field goals. Oh. Same number of attempts. Mas may isa lang, lamang lang ng isa ang Token Tex.
Si Taulava na double team, nilabas kay Avenido, over to Vic Pablo, nasa kanang bahagi. Ang Vic Pablo will score once again for the Token Tex Phone Pals.
Ayan naman talaga forte ni Vic Pablo. Yung mga medium range jumpers really cannot leave him open.
3-point lead for Token Tex, 48-45. Rich Alvarez, good spin, blocked from behind na naman ni Asi, pero nandun, swertihan. Leon Nahorda able to get that basket for Red Bull.
Yun nga, maganda nga yung ginawa doon ni Leon Nahorda, not giving up on that play. Good help defense by Asi Taulava to get that block against Rich Alvarez, pero nobody boxing out itong si Leon Nahorda.
32nd timeout ang hiningi dito ng Token Tex Phone Pals. So ito, balik tayo sa aksyon. Malapit na matapos itong ating second quarter. 25 seconds remaining in fact. And it's a 1-point lead for Token Tex. Very tight first half ang ating nasaksiyan dito sa Lamberto Macias Sports Center. Vic Pablo over to Jimmy Alapag.
Pero bigla nag-zone defense dito ang Red Bull, kaya medyo nasira yung plano ng Token Tex. They were designing a play for a man-to-man defense.
Ito si Coach Derek Pumaren was saying to the referees na shot attempt daw yun nung pagka-foul ni Topex Robinson. Pero according to the referee, side court throw-in lang. 7 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Jimmy Alapag sumaksak, pasa kay Asi Taulava. Munti ka ng slam dunk. Pero sinigurado, dalawang player na yung sumabay doon, Richard, ha?
Oo, talagang he wanted to throw it down. Kaya nga lang, medyo nabitawan niya nung na-foul siya. Pero ang gandang piece of action sa ano yun, eh, no? Great pass coming from Jimmy Alapag. And Asi will back down from nobody. Kahit dalawa pa kayo sumabay.
Siguro, laking pasalamat ng mga nagbantay kay Asi noon na hindi pumasok yung dunk.
Oo, kasi masasama ka na naman sa mga poster eh. Ayan. Nako, pero ito na. Ito, Asi continuing with his struggle from the free throw line. 0 of 2. Ito si Asi Taulava.
10 points and 3 rebounds. 3 solid blocks para kay Asi Taulava. And he gets his 11th point nung pumasok yung pangalawang free throw. Ito, Jimmy Alapag. Munti ka nang mapunta sa amin yung bola. Last touch on Token Tex. 1.3 seconds na lang bago magtapos ang ating second quarter.
Still enough time to launch a decent attempt. At ayun na nga.
Oy, sayang yung knockout play para sa Red Bull Barako. So that will end the second quarter. Just a 2-point lead para sa Token Tex Phone Pals. 49-47. Dito po sa Lamberto Macias Sports and Cultural Complex sa Dumaguete City. A highly contested first half ang ating nasaksihan. Yan po ang ating score at the end of the first half. Token Tex 49, Red Bull 47. Score update, sir. Tandog sa inyo ng Gold Eagle Beer, sir. Pangkondisyon sa may ambisyon.